Anyuola rawera moro Mikoni ne owito ngimane e tisendo bila ma Central e chuny boma ma Mombasa. Koro yuago ratiche kendo dwani otim nonro mapiyo mar yango gima dine kela tho mare e tisendo bila. Gikoni rawera no modak Nairobi ne olal apoya nono chieng' Jumapil. Kaito bang'e giwinjo ndache chieng' tich adek ni ne omake kendo entiere tisendo bila ma Central kuma wachore ni ne othoe. Jafambo marwa George Aoko giler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
En kar kano ringre ma Coast General Mombasa kuma nyuola mosenindo Simon Warui ne ochopo kendo yango adieri ni wuodgi ne owito ngimane. Anyuola no modak e boma ma Nairobi koni wuodgi no ne olal negi apoya nono chieng' Jumapil kendo gisebedo ka gimanye eka ne giyudo ripot ndalo 4 bang'e ni ogeng'ne e tisendo bila ma Central Mombasa.
Tulifika tulienda pale Central Mombasa Police na tukasema tunataka kuona one of my brother ambaye alikuwa amepotea amepatikana hapa, na tukasikia amepelekwa huko polisi. Tuliambiwa kwamba hiyo usiku hatuwezi muona, kwanza tuende tupumzike, asubuhi tumuone.
Okoni ne gimondo kiny mar dhinene kendo dwaro yango gima ne omiyo make, to kata kamano wach mana giyudo ne obwogogi.
DCI wakatuchukua wakatupeleka pale Central Police, na kufika pale tukaonyeshwa ambavyo Simon hatuna ushuhuda ya kwamba hatujui, hakuna mtu anajua ama ni alijiua ama ni kuuliwa. Hatuna evidence.
And we are asking ourselves, we just want to know what happened to Simon so that we can get a closure to this. If you are able to get answers from whoever was involved, then we can seek justice for Simon.
This is another case that is related to the issue of people dying in police stations. We have more questions and the police need to answer to us.
Nyaka sani gikoni pok giyango kaka ne wuok Nairobi mobiro Mombasa kama duong' masane gidwaro en nonro mabiro nyisogi adieri mantiere.
Simon ameenda akiwa mdogo sana, na tukitoka Nairobi tulikuwa tunajua Simon is alive, lakini kufika na Mombasa
Postmortem imefanywa na imeonyesha kwamba amekufa as a result of lack of oxygen. Lakini kuna several fractures ambazo zimeonekana kwenye mwili. Kuna fracture kwenye shingo. There is a fracture on the hand that was found broken.
En wach mabendo sema lich mokalo gi jogo makedo na tich oganda makoni penjo magin godo ewi tho rawera ni thoth maloyo duoko.
This guy lives in Nairobi. He has a wife and a kid. Ni kitu gani kilimpelekea yeye kuja Mombasa? Jambo la pili, yeye kuja Mombasa, kwa nini awekwe ndani ya cell? Aliwekwa polisi kwa makosa gani? Jambo la tatu ambalo sisi tuko na maswali ni huyu mtu wakati alipokuwa, wao manake wanasema kuwa alijaribu kupanda ukuta, akaanguka akafariki. Kulingana na akili ya kibinadamu, hilo ni jambo ambalo haliingia akilini.
What is the status of the wall? And also, where was the police manning the station when this guy alijaribu kupanda wall? Walikuwa wapi?
Nyaka gie sani obila pok ochiwo report mora motenore gi tho rawerano.
We want the OCS to open up the CCTVs to us so that we see when Simon Warui came to Central Police Mombasa, what was his state? Was he brought? Who brought Simon? And maybe what charges or on what basis did they book him at Central Police Mombasa?
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
En gino malita inya kendo ageno ni familia mara jago mowito ngimane no bro bedo ka yudo ratiro e yo makare. Kwa dhi mbele kaunti